Hello guys, welcome to another section on how you can set up your own SMTP private server and send unlimited emails. Like in my YouTube channel here, I talked about SMTPs, different ways you can actually build your SMTP server using different methods, using different packages. And all these SMTP we're talking about in this YouTube channels are self-owned SMTP server, meaning that it is hosted by you. It's a private hosted SMTP and it can be monitored by you alone, not by any other third party or any other website out there. So in this video today, we're going to be looking at another way we can actually set up this SMTP. And what are the requirements that we need in setting up our SMTP? Like I used to tell you in this video, we need a VPS machine and we need a domain, we need a Putil application, or you can use a Bytewise application. Then you need some commands, you need the scripts, you need the DNS record, and you need other information. So if every other thing is ready, sorry, I mean if everything is ready, then you are good to go. In And mind you, if this is your first time of watching this video and you would like to stay tuned and keep watching our videos on SMTP email marketing system, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to on the notification bell to stay updated. All right, now this is what we're going to be doing in this video. I've already got my VPS. I just ordered for the VPS and I make use of OVH Cloud. In this case, I use OVH Cloud in this video to order my VPS. So actually, I'm waiting for my VPS to be delivered to me. And once the VPS is being delivered, I have my domain ready also, then we can get to work. Guys, if you need the full tutorial guide, full step-by-step tutorial videos, calls, scripts, and everything you need to set up your own SMTP server, you can actually check on the description below this video to reach me on any of my social media platform, and I will be glad to receive you and guide you on how you can build your own SMTP server and send unlimited emails. Okay, while waiting for this, I will pause this video while waiting for them to deliver my VPS and come back when the VPS is being delivered. All right, guys. So right now I have my VPS delivered to me. So the next thing is to copy your VPS IP and the password which was given to you, and you logged in them on your device. So I have one here already. So I'm just going to cancel this. Log out of this and I will log in afresh. Now, after the imposition of all this, you click on login. And the first thing you'll be doing here, since we buy our VPS on OVH, is we have to set our root login. So to set your root login, you write the first command, which is sudo password root. Then you change your root login. So just type your root login. Don't worry, it will not show, but it will not show out. So don't worry about that. So you type and enter. To ask you to retype, you type again and enter. Right, you can say password authentication token updated successfully. So what you we going to do right now is to actually give access to the root login so we can actually log in as our root. So I will be writing this command. I will be copying this command and okay, I will be pasting it in. Enter, then I will reboot server. It's asking for the initial password which you're going to put. So we can actually now close this folder and let's go back to our device, which is this, and it's still connecting. Once it's done, we logged out this. Let's log out. Now after the logging out, we logged in now as our root, and you actually put your new password here and click on login. Okay, logged in successfully. Now you open a new terminal. Mind you, in this video, what I'm trying to do right now about this PowerMTA installation is auto script method. I don't need to be uploading and waste a lot of time. This current video course, we simplify everything within few minutes and you are done with your installation without thinking about, oh, my internet connection is poor or maybe your processor is slow. This particular command I'm running now, it will automatically install everything. So I will run the whole command and then I will take you to the main command which I'm going to run. Don't mind you, this is a demo video that actually shows you how you can actually build your own SMTP server. If you need the full tutorial guide, which is not free, you can check on the description below and reach me on my Telegram or my WhatsApp or my ICQ. Okay, guys. The next thing we're going to be doing here is to set our host name. So I have a command which you're going to use. So you just copy uh, this. In your own case, when you get our course, you don't need to stress yourself. Just copy and paste, and you're gonna happy at it. Okay. Now, and after this, we're going to reboot this again, and we're going to reopen and move to the next command. The next command is we install our widget, we install our nano, we install the PowerMTA, we install everything. So I will just pause the video and do the whole that and take you to the installation of the PowerMTA while you see why the processing is ongoing. So there's the command. By hitting on the enter, it starts installing our PowerMTA Advanced. So instead of you uploading, do the zipping and everything, this is this particular command and the script and the course we actually takes you through the process by himself and automatically upload, unzipped, and install. You can see it has been unzipped and you can see it's unzipped. Now it's installing. You can see the installation is done very fast. It's done. And the current version we are using in this video is PowerMT version 5.7. That's the current version we are using here. So now that we have this PMT installed on our server now, so the next thing is that we're going to access our PMTA directory, and from there we're going to install our Vim. Vim is an editor which we're going to use in editing our config file, and at the same time we're going to be using it for our DKIM key record. Currently I'm installing my Vim right now, so it's just everything is just auto. You don't need to stress yourself, it's done. So once this is done, I will write the command to put in my code private key, and I'm going to copy the whole private key here and will paste it in this option here. And after the pasting, we have something like this, which I'm going to save this in this form. Okay, so I'm saving this and enter. Good. Now the next thing is to edit our config file, also running this command. So I'm going to run our config this way, writing the vim config to actually write our config file. With this now, I have my config file ready. Let me show you. This is the config file which we're going to be using. So I'll just copy them now. So now I'm copying the whole thing and going back to this, my server, and I will paste them in right here and save this. It is saved. Good. Now everything is set, and let's try to check if it's working by writing service PMTA restart and see. Then you can see it's okay, which means it's working fine. Service PMTA status, and see it's active and running. So the next thing is to do your DNS record configuration, and at the same time you do your reverse DNS on your VPS. And once all this is done, let's make a test on our email sender. So going back to my email sender, which is this Ultra Mailer, right click to add a new sender, and host name will be this, and port is 2525. The username and the password I set when I'm doing the configuration. Then okay, and send from will be postmaster@domain.com, and sender name, just use this, and reply to be this also. Okay, then let's make a test. So I'll be testing to online to helper, and I will hit the button. Oh, sorry, send text. Okay, then let's see. Let's check our mail. Even before checking mail, you can see the notification that entered my phone right now, which shows its inbox. But let's check our inbox right here. Okay, let me go in. and boom, here we go. We have it actually in imp.